Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if is not charging on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger and cable. After check your charger and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on battery. After click on battery health and turn on fast charging button. After turn on fast charging button, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if is not charging on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.